buying a front pipe a waste? Well, in today's video, we're gonna install one and talk about it on our 2013 FRS. So if you guys don't know already, we have our Greddy RS Race catback exhaust on our FRS here. Stock front pipe, stock overpipe, stock header. So we're gonna see kind of what we could do with the brand new front pipe. It is, well, we'll get to that. This right here is our brand new front pipe. Now this is the HKS dual resonated front pipe, 2.5 inch. It is discontinued, so you can't get this anymore. However, when it comes to front pipes, if they're dual resonated, generally it's gonna sound the same. So I'm gonna throw it on the FRS and see what it sounds like with our brand new front pipe. Is it worth picking up one of these, and how much of a difference is it going to make in sound? We're going to find out. Before we throw this on the car, I do want to say that we did clean this thing up a good bit with, of course, our Eagle One and Mother's Mag, and it came out pretty fine and dandy. However, it doesn't have that many miles on it, so it doesn't, you know, look at that. So it looks pretty good as is. So this end here is the kind of donut style. We're not going to use a donut gasket because we have our Greddy RS Race exhaust, which is a 3-inch catback. So we're going to use a 3-inch gasket for that end. And then for this end here, we have a 2.5-inch gasket that I will link down below. You guys can pick one up. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to lube up the overpipe bolts. So let's do that. Let's see where that lands us, because those bolts definitely look rusted. We'll loosen the front pipe bolts. So getting our front pipe out, no easy task when you're on the ground here, but just like our BRZ, you want to take off the cat heat shield, and that's going to allow you to get to the bolts on the overpipe a lot easier. Like, it's not even, it's a no-brainer. You see I kind of twisted this. These bolts are probably going to be rusted. I sprayed them before I went to go loosen them, and this one still got kind of messed up. So yeah, stock front pipe is off. Don't really need that thing anymore. Just some quick bolt sizes. So this is a 14 mil. This is the hanger by the transmission. Mine were 13. Yours will probably be 14. These guys to the overpipe were also 14. All right, guys, front pipe is on. So you can see it's getting a little dark. We're gonna give it a cold start, see how it sounds, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna go for a test drive in it. FRS background front pipe is on. Before I give you guys my opinion, I do want to let you guys take a listen, and yeah. So after driving with the HKS dual resonated front pipe on my FRS, what do I think about it? Well, it definitely introduces a deeper tone to the exhaust. However, when it comes to price, it really depends how much you're going to spend on a front pipe. If you're going to buy one that is pretty expensive, on the expensive side, I would say it's not going to be worth it for you unless you're going for power gains, because if you go with a set of headers, you're going to probably want to do the overpipe and front pipe so you don't restrict that flow. If you're rocking stock headers and aren't worried about power gains or exhaust flow, then I'd say the front pipe is just gonna be for sound. However, it does sound pretty damn good. The best way I could put it is whatever catback exhaust you have, it's gonna add a deeper tone to it as well as make it sound like it's more free flowing, because it is. So for the price that I got this front pipe for, I really have no complaints because it makes my daily driving experience that much better. I already love the Gritty RS Race exhaust on the FRS. It sounds so good and it just made it so much better. It also introduces a little bit of pops, but it's not anything obnoxious. So would I recommend for you to get a front pipe on your FRS BRZ86? Well, for performance, it depends. For fun factor, yes, if it's not too expensive. It brings some damn life to these cars like they deserve, and I freaking love it. And if you're looking for a front pipe now, I would pick one up that has number 1, good reviews, and number 2, some quality welds. You definitely don't want those welds cracking on you. And if you're wondering to go catted, dual resonated, or straight pipe, I would definitely recommend dual resonated. We have it on our FRS, we have it on our BRZ. It gets rid of a lot of drone and it just sounds better. Catted is kind of useless in my opinion because you don't really need that second cat in there and it really quiets things down. And then when it comes to a straight pipe, you're probably gonna make things pretty damn loud. 27 seconds. That's not too bad. Oh man, that's definitely a new record for this car. Yeah, that's a new record for this car. The BRZ, I think it was around like 330. So I feel like I was kind of going a little more hard than I would on the BRZ. BRZ could definitely beat that time, for sure. We got lucky with no traffic on our private road, but yeah, 327 is not bad for our little home course there. So not bad, not bad. Exhaust, totally forgot about the exhaust. Thing sounds so freaking good. I love this exhaust. The front pipe, good front pipe. Alrighty, I think that about wraps it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a like down below. It really does go a long way, and while you're down there, you can consider subscribing. That shows me you guys like what I'm doing here, and I could do more. But other than that, as per usual, you check me out, Jules, in the description down below, all my socials and whatnot. You check out the FRS and the BRZ build we got going on. Speaking of the burrs, we got some big things coming up for that. I've been busting my ghoulie trying to work on the burrs as of late, and there's some stuff coming. I'm not gonna say big things coming because they're already here. The work hasn't been done, but you guys just haven't seen it yet. So just give me a minute. We're fine tuning things with the burrs, and it's coming soon. I promise. I got you guys. I promise. There's a lot of things being done to the BRZ right now. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you are so you don't miss the videos, or any videos for that matter, because if you're watching today's video, why aren't you subscribed? So just stick around. Shows me you guys like what I'm doing here, and I could do more. But I am gonna get the heck up out of here and go make a couple of TikTok videos. Once again, I really do appreciate you guys' support in all this. It really means a lot to me that I could do this for you guys, make content on the 8.6, the BRZ chassis. And yeah, this is what I love doing. So thank you again. I'm gonna get the heck up out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.